What is JoCo Cruise?
God, what isn't it?
What isn't it?
It's a music festival. It's a
comedy festival. It's a writer's workshop.
A game development workshop.
A soul seminar.
And technically, it's on a ship. It's on a cruise ship.
Technically.
A sort of nerd convention, but without all the terrible parts.
And with fruity drinks.
And with fruity drinks in a sunny place on a giant cruise ship.
Please welcome to the stage the reason we are all here tonight in this place, Jonathan Colton.
And you know, we've been to conventions and stuff before, so I thought I knew what it would be, but I had no idea.
Panels and the signings and the readings, there's just so much to do.
At this point, I'm like, everything's just normal. Nothing's out of place.
Doesn't it feel like this is just your new life now and this is just where you live and what you do every day?
All of the people on this cruise are very, in touch with who they are.
The thing that I don't know that I expected was just how real this is.
I walked on this boat and all I could think was, oh, I'm kind of home.
I mean, it's great to see someone sort of join the fold that way.
It gets beyond that feeling of Star Trek versus Star Wars and into the very heart of what it means to be a nerd, which I feel like is what it means to be a person.
I really enjoyed the concert at Loreto. It was on shore. It was with this small town called Loreto down here in Mexico. And they went all in for us.
People always ask me who is the cruise for. And the answer is always the same, me mostly. But you don't have to be me to enjoy the Jonathan Colton Cruise.
I want to come back again and again and again.
We are heading back to the Caribbean in 2019. Beyond that, who knows? Probably Caribbean, maybe space. We'll see what happens with technology.